Let's make a delicious citrus cake. First, turn on the oven to 325 degrees and then assemble the ingredients. You need 7. Some cooking oil, regular vegetable oil, a cake mix, butter recipe or yellow cake is fine, about half a teaspoon of vanilla, a lemon Jello pudding mix, some butter which will be melted, 4 eggs, and some mandarins in their juice. All of these are going to be mixed together in a bundt tin, cooked for about 50 minutes, and the result is a moist, delicious, citrusy flavoured cake. Let's get cooking. So let's get mixing. Cake mix. Lemon pie filling. Oil needs to be total of about 3/4 cup. Oil and melted butter combined. You can vary the ratio if you want it more richer. You can put more butter in. The juice of the mandarins, plus a little bit of water, about half a cup total. Vanilla and 4 eggs. Mix away. Once it's mixed, you're ready to pour into the bundt tin. I like to coat the bottom of the bundt tin with oil, spread it all around, and then add a little bit of flour, lightly dusted, into the pan. That helps it stick. Bundt cakes can very easily stick to the bottom of the pan. Once you've got a good dusting of flour, just shake the excess off. And you're ready to pour the batter in. Batter in, final step. Take the mandarin pieces, chop them up into halves or thirds, and just spread them around the surface of the batter. They're going to sink when they cook, so they'll tend to be on the bottom. Try and spread them evenly. And now into the oven. Once out of the oven, cool for about 15 minutes, loosen the edges with a knife and flip onto a wire rack. And the citrus cake is ready for frosting.